Welcome to a new module focused on a powerful Python feature introduced in version 3.10, the match case statement. This is Python's answer to the switch or case statements found in other languages, providing a clean, structural way to handle multiple comparison conditions. 1. What is structural pattern matching? The match case statement isn't just a simple replacement for if-elif. It introduces structural pattern matching, which means it can compare an expression not just by its value, but also by its structure, allowing us to easily deconstruct data types like lists or objects. 2. Basic syntax and anatomy. The basic syntax starts with the match keyword, followed by the expression you want to test. Below it, you define one or more case blocks. Each case is a pattern. If the expression matches the pattern, the corresponding code block is executed. 3. The wildcard case. Notice the last case followed by an underscore. The underscore or wildcard pattern is similar to the else block in an if-elif-else chain. It acts as a catch-all, matching any value if all preceding cases fail. It should always be placed at the very end of your match block. 4. Variable capture. A powerful aspect is variable capture. If you use a single variable name in a case, not a literal value like start or 200, that variable name will match any value, and it will bind that value to the variable. This allows you to process the value within the case block. 'To summarize, this feature simplifies complex branching logic significantly. Our next lecture 32.02, Match Case versus If-Else. See you there.